In this video we will do some example. uh, in the previous video we have seen three subtopics: union of set, intersection of set, and difference of set. In this video we will see an example of an example to learn how to write a union b, a intersection b, a minus b, and b minus a. Okay, these two are difference of set, this is intersection of set, and this is union of set. Okay, in the previous two videos we have seen union, intersection, then in the previous video we have seen difference of set. So in this video we will see an example to write union, intersection, and difference of sets. In the next then after this example we will go on the topic, we'll move to the topic complement of set. So first in this example, it is given, what is given is universal set. Okay, then given is set A and set B is given, and we have to find all of this. Okay, we have to find all of this. So first we have to find A union B. A union B. What is A union B? So A union B is the set. A union B is a set of all the elements of A and B. So what is A union B? A union B is a set of elements of A and B. Okay, so simply write a set that has all the elements of A and B. All the elements of A and B, that will be the set A union B. So what are the elements of A? Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And what are the elements B has? B has 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6 is already I have written already 2, 4, 6. So only 8 is remaining. So we have to write 8. So these are the element A and B has. A has element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B has element 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the element of A. Then remaining 2, 4, 6, 8 is the element of B. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So don't repeat the elements in set. We do not repeat the element. Okay, so 2, 4, 6 already is present in the set. So we have only written 8. Okay. So this is A union B. So A union B is a set of all the elements of A and B. That is A union B. Now we have to write A intersection B. A intersection B. So A intersection B are the common elements of A and B. Okay, A intersection B is a set of common elements of A and B, means the elements that belong to both the set. Okay, A intersection B means A intersection B means is a set of elements that belong to both the set A and B. So which are the elements that belong to both the set? So that is 2, 4, and 6. 2, 4, and 6. Okay, these three elements belong to both the set. So A intersection B will be 2, 4, and 6. So you can say common, or you can say the elements belong to both the set. That is 2, 4, and 6. Next we will move on to A minus B. How to write A minus B? So A minus B is basically what? A minus B, this is set A. Okay, and A minus B is element is a set of element belong to A, not B. Okay, A minus B is a set of element. A minus B is a set of element that belongs to set A and not belong to set B. So basically from set A remove all the elements of B. So 2, 4, 6 are the elements of B. So we just have to remove these elements 2, 4, and 6. So what are the remaining elements? So remaining elements are 1, 3, and 5. Okay, from set A remove all the elements of B. What are the elements B has? These 4 elements. So from which 2, 4, and 6 are the element of B. So remove these 3 elements. The remaining element will be A minus B. Okay, that is A minus B. Then we have to write B minus A. What is B minus A? B minus A is a set of element that belong to A. B minus A is a set of element that belong to B but not A. So what are the elements belong to B but not A? That is only 8. Okay, 8 is the only element that only belong to B. 8 is the only element that belong to B. But these 2, 4, 6, these element also belong to A. Okay, this 2, 4, 6 is also belongs to A. So we have to remove those elements. Okay, so the only element 8 will be remaining. So b minus a will have only 8. So basically there is a shortcut to remember this. So a minus b means a minus b means a minus a intersection b. You can understand in this way also. Okay, you can understand in this way also. Basically, from set a, remove the common elements. From set a, remove the common elements between a and b. So you will get, a minus b. Okay, so this is how you how you can understand that from set a, remove common elements of a and b, you will get a minus b. Similarly, b minus a, how can you find b minus a? From b, remove the common elements. To find b minus a, from b, remove the common elements. Okay, remove the common elements. You can understand by this, you can understand also by the, from the Venn diagram. Okay, this was the Venn diagram. This was the Venn diagram in which I have drawn two set. This is the common region. Okay, this is the common region. This region is the a minus b. Okay, this region is the b minus a. Now see, this is set a, this is set a, this is set a, from which if I remove this region, I will get a minus b. So basically from set a, remove this part. From set a, remove a intersection b, we will get a minus b. Similarly, this is the region of b. So from b, if I remove a intersection b, means common elements. From b, if I remove this common element, I will get b minus a. Okay, so from there only I have written this conclusion. I have came to this from this Venn diagram only I have came to this conclusion. Okay, so how to write a minus b? From a, remove the common elements. So these are the common element, these are the common element. Okay, so 1 3 5 will be of a minus b. For b minus a, remove common element. So these are the common elements, so remaining is 8. So this is how you can write a minus b and b minus a. Next we will move on to the next topic, which is complements of set. How to write complements of set. How to write complement of set. This is a new topic, complement of set. Complement of set. So let me consider the same example. Okay, let me consider this same example. So let me consider the same example. So this is the example. So we have to, what we have to do, we have to find complement of set. So first we will understand, we will use this example to understand. Okay, we need to find complement of set A. We have to find complement of set A. So what is complement of set A? First of all, how to denote complement of set A? So we have to denote like this. Okay, complement of set A, just the set and this symbol. Okay, this is how you denote complement of set A. So what is complement of set A? Complement of set A is basically universal set minus A. So complement of A is basically universal set minus A. So what you can get from this? So from universal set, remove element of A. From universal set, remove element of A. So what are the remaining elements? From universal set, if we remove element of A, so these are the element of A. So if we remove this, what are the elements that will be there? Only 7 8 9 10. Okay, so that will be the element of A complement. That will be the element of A complement. So see here, complement of A has only these 4 elements, 7 8 9 10. Now if you see carefully, these elements do not belong to A. These elements do not belong to A. So what is A complement? A complement is a set of elements that do not belong to A. A complement is a set of elements that do not belong to set A. So we can write A complement. In set builder form we can write, suppose X is the element of A complement. So X do not belong to A, but X belongs to universal set. But X belongs to universal set means all the element of universal set that do not belong to A, those will be the element of A complement. This is how you write A complement, or I can say complement of any set. Next we will see a small property of this complement. So A complement, whole complement. So what will be A complement, whole complement? So we will take this example only, okay? So A complement means these are the element, और इसका complement मतलब, so I can say U minus A complement. What is A complement? A complement is U minus A. Okay, so A complement means U minus A complement. So what is U minus A complement? So इसका क्या मतलब है? That from universal set remove the element of A complement. So if you remove all the element of A complement, you will get again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, from universal set remove the element of A complement, because what are the elements of A complement? These are the elements of A complements. So if you remove these element from universal set, that means these element, if you remove these element, you will get again the elements of A. You will get again the elements of A. That means this is equals to A. So this is basically property that A complement of complement is equals to A. So this is the property A complement of whole complement is again A. This is the property of a complement. And we can understand by this Venn diagram also. Suppose this is a Venn diagram. So Venn diagram can be drawn using two set or using one set. Okay, so I will draw both. You can understand, you can draw Venn diagram for two set or one set, whichever you want. So set A, set A, set B. So you can use any diagram to understand a complement of A. So this is the region of A. This is the region of A. Okay, this is the region of A. Means inside this region, which whatever the element will be there, those element belong to A. Now this is the set A. So inside this region, whatever the element will be there, that will belong to set A. Now these are the element in this region, whatever the element will be there, means outside the circle. Okay, outside the circle, whichever the element will be there, that will not belong to set A. Okay, outside the circle, whatever element is there, that do not belong to A. Okay, okay. Now see, inside this region, whatever the element is there, that belong to set A. Okay, same for this case. Inside this region, whatever the element is there, that belong to set A. Now outside this circle, whatever the element is there, that do not belong to set A. Okay, that do not belong to set A. Same for this, outside the region of A, in this region, outside the region of A, whatever the element is there, that do not belong to set A. That means in this blue region, whatever the element is there that belong to A complement. Okay, in this blue region, whatever the element is there that belong to A complement. So let me clarify it. So this is the region of A, this is the region of A. Okay, this blue region is the region of A complement, this blue shaded region is the A complement. Okay, because in the inside this circle, all the elements belong to A. Outside the circle, whatever the element that belong to A complement, and inside the circle, whatever the element is there belong to A, and outside the circle, whatever the element is there that belong to A complement. Okay, so this is how you draw the Venn diagram for any complement of set. Next we will do some problem to understand how to draw Venn diagram for any given condition. Okay, for any given set or any given condition. So that we will see in the next video.